Today in this video, we will learn about what changes do we have to make in WHM Reseller panel after server IP change or WHM server migration. If you have recently migrated from one server to another, then step 1 is to log into WHM through main domain and then go to DNS function. Now here, go inside Edit DNS Zone. Now here, go to your main domain. If main domain is not visible here, then follow further steps, that is, log into cPanel of your main domain and then go to your advanced zone editor. Here, you need to update the new server IP. So, for that, click on Edit in front of them and then update the new IP here. Once you have updated the new IP address, click on Edit Record. Now step 2 is to again log into WHM and then go to Server Configuration. Now go to Basic WebHost Manager Setup. Under this section, ensure that the correct name servers are written. If correct name servers are already written here, then you can ignore this procedure. This step is optional, that is step 3. Reset the DNS zone of those domains which are under the main account. For that, go to DNS function inside WHM and then go to reset a DNS zone. Now from here, you can reset any DNS zone if a particular domain is displaying incorrect name server in into DNS. Once you have reset a DNS zone of a particular domain, all of the DNS related errors must be resolved.